Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. By the way, the topic that I'm going to discuss today is about the geographic variation. So when we say geographic variation, is basically ito yung pagkakaiba-iba ng mga plants depende sa kanilang location. So parang kung saan sila tumubo is yun din ang magiging katangian nila. Like for example, kapag ang mga ibon na nakatira sa malamig at maginhawang lugar ay maaaring magkaroon ng mas makapal na balahibo upang manatiling mainit, habang ang mga ibon sa mainit at tuyong lugar ay maaaring magkaroon ng mas manipis na balahibo upang manatiling malamig. So ito ang tinatawag na geographic variation. So let's proceed to the provenance. So provenance is a geographic location of native population. So when we say provenance, is yan yung lugar kung saan nagmula ang isang tree species. Kumbaga, native siya sa isang place. The next one is the seed source. So it is the location where seeds was obtained. Geographic race is genetically similar individuals occupying a particular territory. So, ito naman yung mga puno na magkakatulad ng gene o lahi na matatagpuan sa isang place. Ito ay madalas na makikita sa isang farm. Local land and race. So, it is forms when a species is introduced to an exotic planting environment and adapt through natural and artificial selection. Local land race is ito yung mga puno na na-adapt na sa ibang lugar kung saan sila tinanim. So, parang yung mga exotic species like mahogany, falcata, mangium, and etc. So, the next one is the cline. So, it is continuous genetic gradient associated with environmental gradient. So, when we say cline, is yan yung gradual na pagbabago ng genes ng mga puno dahil sa pagbabago ng environment. So, parang yung pagiging mas matangkad ng mga tao sa bundok kaysa sa mga tao sa kapatagan. So, ecotype, it is genotypes adapted to a particular habitat or ecological habitat or niche. Ecotype is ito yung mga puno na na-adapt na sa isang particular na lugar o tirahan. Parang yung mga isda na nakatira lang sa isang particular na ilog. Variety is the subdivision within a species with distinct morphological characteristics. So, ito yung mga uri ng halaman na may kakaibang itsura or appearance. Like for example, yung mangga is may iba't ibang variety yan. Provenance versus environment interaction is how a location's tree performance changes across different environments. So, ino-observe nila kung paano nagbabago ang paglaki o performance ng puno sa iba't ibang environment. Genotype versus environment interaction is specific to provenances. So, there are two types of interaction exist. Number one is the rank changes. So, provenances change their relative ranking across environment. So, rank changes, ito yung nagbabago ang ranking ng puno sa iba't ibang lugar. Number two is the scale effects. Provenances maintain their rank order, but the magnitude of differences changes across environment. So, when we say scale effects, is ito yung pagkakapareho ng ranking pero nagbabago ang performance level. Experimental methods used to study geographic variation. So, we have direct measurement of plant material, short-term seedling test in artificial environments, long-term field studies or experiments. Genetic markers. It is valuable tools for studying geographic variations or genetic differences. So, ito naman yung ginagamit para pag-aralan ang mga genetic differences ng mga halaman or genetic variation. So, the advantage of genetic markers is rapid result, lower cost. So its disadvantages is limited insight into adaptation. For example, the allozymes. Short-term seedling test. So the advantage of short-term seedling test is characterizing geographic variation, understanding selective forces, and developing seed transfer guidelines. So its disadvantages is artificial environments and limited assessment of tree life cycle.